In this video, I'll show you how to open and use the clipboard on Windows 10. First, use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus V. If clipboard history is already enabled, a small clipboard panel will appear on your screen showing all the items you recently copied. If this is your first time using it, you'll see a message asking you to turn on clipboard history. Click Turn On, and the clipboard will start saving multiple copied items automatically. Once the clipboard panel is open, you can click on any item to paste it into your document, browser, or app. This works for text, links, and small images. If you want to manage clipboard settings, open Settings, go to System, then click Clipboard. From here, you can turn clipboard history on or off, clear the clipboard data, or manage sync options. To clear the clipboard manually, open the clipboard panel with Windows key plus V, then click Clear All. That's how you open and use the clipboard on Windows 10. Like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials.